Hey guys, it's Heather and I'm back today with a little bitty video, not a big one, but I got my dream car yesterday. Well, it's not the same year model of my preferable dream car, but I've always wanted a Mustang. Well, my husband told me Sunday, we're gonna look for a car for you. I was like, okay, because right now all we have is a Durango. Well, now we got my baby, my Ford Mustang. It's 98 model. Hold on, let me turn the camera around. This is my Mustang. It's paid off. And yes, that was a Jeep Liberty in the background, but it's broke down and it's got a blown engine in it. That was my old vehicle. My yard is a junk pile right now. My husband just throws everything everywhere. But yeah, let's take a look at her. We paid not too much for her, not too bad. I mean, there's a few things that we have to fix on her. But this is the interior. The only flaw in the interior is a rip in the driver's seat. This is my pretty baby, and it's got Batman in the back, and it's got Journey can fit on one side, and me and Dawn aren't going to be able to have any more children. I pretty well don't think so. So she's got 122,000 miles on her, which is pretty good for a 98. But I love the color. I mean, I'm going to redo the paint when I get the money. The clear coat is peeling on the hood, the roof, and the back. And the bumper, I gotta fix the bumper because it's got like a crack right there. But I mean, I know how to do this. I've done body work on cars before. But this is Mustang. I love the color though. But this is all I had to do, all I had to share with you guys today. One reason why I haven't been filming much, plus this kind of boosted my mood about this. Friday is my mom's birthday, and my mom passed away in 2019, and I've got conflicted feelings about her. Like, I miss her, I loved her, but she wasn't not the greatest. So if you guys enjoyed this little video of my Mustang, give it a thumbs up, comment, whatever. There's a cow pasture behind my house, but I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys stay safe. Bye.